Welcome back to Lady P's Inspired Home. If you are new to the channel, welcome. And if you are one of my return subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And today I am participating in a WILD for Floral collaboration hosted by the lovely Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And this is her first floral collaboration. I am so happy to be able to participate. So this is a time of year you can do a floral for spring, you could do a floral for Easter, you could just do a floral just to change the scenery in your house. You can do a floral for a simple floral for any room in your house, any coffee table, wherever you would like. But this is a great opportunity to switch up. Spring is coming and be geared up for spring. And I know a lot of videos is coming out for spring, so we're right on time. So I'm got a one of my spring floral arrangement. I'm not sure if this is gonna stay here on this console table. This is a console table that is sitting behind my couch, or I'm gonna put it on the coffee table. But wherever I know this floral is got to be done. And don't forget to show Anna some love in the playlist, and I will leave a link below in the description box to Anna's channel and the playlist. So just okay. Well, first I'm going to show you some of the items that I'm going to be using for this floral arrangement. So this is some eucalyptus, but if you can see, it's so velvety. It's so pretty, and I got this from Michael's. It's in an upcoming haul that I wasn't able to upload, but you'll see that you probably see this in a haul. But the leaves is so velvety. I think it's so pretty, and it's in that deep sage green color. So this is the color that I'm using for the spring this year. I've been using yellow for so long, and this year I'm going to be using sage green or lime green and a touch of yellow. So I'm going to show you some of these other flowers. I have believe two of these. I have two of these, and these are like a touch of white and yellow, tiny little flowers on them. And I'm going to use these. And then I also has these, I think these also came from Michael's. And these are so cute. But now what I would like to do is do the green with a touch of yellow. Look how pretty these are. I like to grab some more of these. I think these are so pretty and not really large. And then we also have some what I took them apart because it was in one butch. But I took them apart because actually this is the second time me recording this. This part is probably really already recorded, but it's a long story, but my camera shut down on me. But these are, I call them, I feel like they look like some baby breaths. And I took them apart, so they had like 4 of these on a bunch. And I'm going to use these. And these I just purchased recently, sooner like yesterday. And I think these are really gorgeous. I was undecided, wasn't sure, but they have like a touch of yellow, but I like that little touch of lime green in there. It's so pretty. I got this came in a 2. This came from Raw, so it was 2 stems, which is pretty full. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna start here with the eucalyptus because the eucalyptus, I'm not gonna separate this. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have not already done so, hit that subscribe button. Join Lady P's Inspired Home. I would love to have you. And don't forget to hit that notification bell that you be notified of all the videos as they upload. I thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, everyone, to be a blessing. Bye-bye. See you all on the next video.